Hello, you are most welcome. I'm teacher Ivan from Wuna Educational Services. We are here for our question 5 under logarithms. Question 5 says, solve for x if at all log base x power y equals to 2 and xy equals to 8. So this one is a unique number, but of which can be easily solved using the rules of logarithms that we saw in our very first lesson of logarithms. So we have log base x power y equaling to 2 and then xy as 8. They want us to solve for x. So from this logarithm, there is a law that was law number 6 for those who watched the first lesson, which told us that if I have log a power b equaling to c, then b equals to a power c. So it's the law that we are going to use on this. Therefore, if I have log x power y equaling to 2, then y equals to x power 2, according to the law if we compare. So, meaning that I will have y equaling to x power 2 as my first equation, and in the question I'm given xy equaling to 8. So that is xy equals to 8. This is my second equation. So I have two simultaneous equations that I have to solve. I will simply solve by substitution. Where there is y, I will simply write x squared. So that if I say put 1 in 2, we put equation 1 in equation 2, meaning that we are substituting for y. So we shall have x into x squared. Where there is y is where we have put x squared equals to 8, meaning that x cubed equals to 8. Then we get the cube root on both sides. So that gets us x as 2. And since they only wanted the value of x, we have it. Otherwise, we can also get y, whereby y was x squared, which is 2 squared, to give us a 4. That is how we shall simply solve that problem. So it was a minor issue that only required the knowledge of the laws of logarithms. So it is very paramount for us to first of all master the laws of logarithms before we start looking at how we solve logarithmic problems. That's why in our very first equation, we first looked at these laws. So if at all you missed it, please go back, scroll down, you'll find it, watch it so that we move together. Otherwise, I'm teacher Ivan from Wuna Educational Services. I hope to have you in our next lesson. Bye-bye.